Hello, my name is Danu. Please listen carefully my speech. What do you want to buy when you have 20,000 won to allowance? If I have $20,000, I will buy stock and donate. I will give you 2 reasons to support my opinion. First, I want to buy stock. Many people say stock is type of the goose that lays the golden egg. That means if you keep it, you will get more money. And I will buy Samsung stock and make money to $50,000 and buy stock again and make it 70,000 won. So I can donate many money to help poor. Second, I will donate all of my allowance. There is 350,000 people who live in Korea is poor. If we are going academy, that means we are not poor. But there is many people who want to study and go to academy. So I want to give poor opportunity to go academy. I do this because my bucket list is donate for poor. In conclusion, I hope there is more people donate for poor. Thank you for listening my speech.